Hi friends, I'm Choco, your chocolate buddy. Ever wonder how I was made? Let's go on a chocolate adventure. It all starts here, in a warm, sunny place where cocoa trees grow.
I help cocoa trees grow with my warm sunshine.
Hi, I'm Beanie, a cocoa bean. I grow inside this pod with all my bean buddies.
After Beanie and friends are picked, they rest in the sun to dry.
We get a little stinky, but that's what makes the chocolate taste yummy.
Bonjour. I roast the beans, then grind them into a paste.
Add some milk and sugar and voila! Chocolate! Yummy! Now I'm almost ready. Then we pour the chocolate into molds like me, cool it down and wrap it up, from bean to bar. Now you know how chocolate comes to life. Stay sweet!
Before we mold the chocolate, we do something special called tempering. It makes the chocolate smooth, shiny, and snappy. I love getting tempered. It makes me extra tasty. Tempering is like a little dance for chocolate. First, we heat the chocolate, then cool it down and heat it up just a bit again. This helps the cocoa butter crystals form just right, making the chocolate look and taste amazing. Look at that shine, and listen to that snap. That's how you know it's perfectly tempered chocolate. Now we're ready to be poured into molds and turned into delicious chocolate bars and treats. Stay tuned for the next step in our chocolate adventure. Hey look, my chocolate cousins. I'm milk chocolate. I'm sweet and creamy. I'm white chocolate. I don't have cocoa solids, just cocoa butter. I'm dark chocolate, bold and rich with more cocoa. Chocolate comes in many flavors and forms. Each type of chocolate has its own unique taste and texture. Milk chocolate is loved for its smooth and sweet flavor, perfect for those who enjoy a milder taste. White chocolate, while not technically a true chocolate, offers a creamy and buttery experience. Dark chocolate, on the other hand, is for those who crave a more intense, rich flavor with a hint of bitterness. And did you know? There are even more varieties, like ruby chocolate, which has a fruity taste, and caramelized white chocolate, also known as blonde chocolate, which has a toasty caramel flavor. So, whether you like it sweet, creamy, bold, or fruity, there's a chocolate out there for everyone. How amazing is that? Join us as we explore even more chocolatey wonders in the next part of our adventure. After we're wrapped up, we go on a journey to stores all around the world, from farm to factory, then off to you. Imagine this. A chocolate bar starts its life on a farm where cocoa beans are carefully harvested. These beans are then shipped to factories where they are transformed into delicious chocolate. From there, the chocolate is packaged and sent out to stores across the globe. But the journey doesn't end there. Once in the stores, the chocolate waits for you to pick it up and bring it home. Whether it's a small boutique shop in Paris, a bustling market in Tokyo, or your local grocery store, chocolate travels far and wide to reach you. So next time you enjoy a piece of chocolate, remember the incredible journey it took to get to you. From the hands of farmers to the shelves of stores, every bite is a piece of that adventure. Isn't that sweet? Now that you know about the incredible journey chocolate takes to reach you, it's time for some Choco facts. Did you know that cocoa trees only grow in warm places near the equator? That's right. These tropical regions provide the perfect climate for cocoa trees to thrive. And here's another fun fact. It takes about 400 cocoa beans to make just one chocolate bar. That's a lot of beans for one delicious treat. And where does the word chocolate come from? It actually comes from an old Aztec word, xocolotl, which means bitter water. The Aztecs used to make a drink from cocoa beans that was quite different from the sweet chocolate we enjoy today. So next time you savor a piece of chocolate, you can impress your friends with these fun facts. Enjoy your sweet treat and remember the amazing story behind every bite. Chocolate is fun, but don't forget, eat it as a treat and keep your teeth clean after. And always say thank you to the farmers who grow the beans. These hardworking farmers dedicate their lives to cultivating the cocoa trees, ensuring we can enjoy our favorite chocolate treats. So next time you unwrap a chocolate bar, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken and the hands that have made it possible. A little gratitude goes a long way. Thanks for joining Choco's Chocolate Adventure. Stay sweet, little beans. See you next time.